Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've been promising on Instagram for a while that I would do a little tour of my glam room, and it's not big by any means, but it's definitely my favorite room in the house, and I just love being in here. It's where I do all of my hauls and my stories and where I shoot a lot of my content for you guys. So it's definitely this place where I spend most of my time, and it's like my happy place. So I just wanted to give you guys like a little behind the scenes and a little tour and show you guys the full view of the room, because you can only see certain angles of it on Instagram. So I'm going to show you guys all the furniture and some of my favorite pieces in my room. So if you guys want to see, then please keep watching. So this is the outside of the door. Let's open it up and go on in. Right when you walk in, you're gonna see my hat wall. So my hat wall just has some of my favorite hats. You guys see these on my Instagram all the time. I'll leave the link below just in case anybody wants one, but these are just some of my favorite, most aesthetically pleasing hats. That is what you see when you first walk in. Get the lights on so you guys can see. So I'm so in love with my gold chandelier. I believe I got this off Amazon. I think it's so pretty and just sparkly. I'll get underneath it so that you guys can see how pretty is that. I even put the lights in there myself. I know. And this picture is one of my favorites. It's a big metallic gold kiss sign. I'm pretty sure I got this from Hobby Lobby. And then I have another one over here, and it says messy bun and getting stuff done, and it's also gold. And I think I also got that from Hobby Lobby as well. This is the area of my glam room that's not quite finished yet. This wall is a little bit bare and this corner is a little bit empty. I have the pillows on the floor for right now, but I have a big round white ottoman coming, and then I'm going to put the pillows on the ottoman. So once that arrives, that'll be in the corner, and then next to it I'm going to have a fake plant, and I also ordered it. It's just not here yet. So that's that. And then I have this really pretty, it's a faux fur sheepskin white rug. It's so soft and fluffy, and you guys see me do a lot of my Instagram stories on this rug. Here's my like notorious vanity that you guys always see me at. I always film my Instagram stories here, and I get ready here. This is where I spend a lot of my time, and I do a lot of work on this vanity too because I use it as a desk as well. So I just have some, oh, this vanity, before I forget, it's from Vanity Impressions. I'll leave the link below. But yeah, I just have some of my favorite like makeup products that I use on a daily basis out right here in these little trays. And over here is my vanity chair with my lipstick blanket. I got that lipstick blanket from a website called Time Los Angeles. It just has different color lipsticks all over it, and it's like a little throw blanket. I think it's really cute for my glam room. I just put it on top of my chair to keep my chair clean. And then I have my burn book that my husband bought me because I'm a mean girl. Just kidding, kind of. No, I got this burn book. My husband got it for me when we went to the Mean Girls play. They have a Broadway musical, and it's so funny. If you guys ever get the chance to go check it out, I would definitely recommend it. The blanket so you guys can see. My chair is just like a white swivel chair, but sometimes because it's white, I get like spray tan on it. So I decided to buy this little lipstick throw, and then I just keep it on top of the chair. My vanity, I just have some of my most used makeup brushes. I probably have to clean them, but yeah, I have some makeup brushes, some of my favorite makeup products, some Pixie products, and I think I got this container also from Hobby Lobby. So in this vanity drawer, it's empty because I have a hard time opening it, but this one, I believe there's just extra makeup. Yeah, just some extra makeup palettes, extra lip products. I have some masks in here, more palettes back there. And then in this bottom drawer, I keep like extra makeup bags just in case. Also for organizing and for like traveling purposes, I love having extra bags. And then in this drawer, I just have some extra lipsticks, palettes, extra makeup palettes. These are probably my most used palettes. I know that's kind of a lot, huh? But yeah, those are like my most used palettes. In the back, I have some hair products, and then just more like extra makeup equipment in case I do a client's makeup. You guys can tell that gold and white is the theme of my room, but I got this really cute polka dot gold and white little basket from Hobby Lobby, and then I also got that gold basket from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna walk over to the window. Look, you guys can you guys see the lake out there? Isn't that so pretty? It happens every time we get a lot of rainfall. And this is my window that I always take my selfies in front of. So if my selfies look really bright and just well lit, it's because I stand right in front of this window and take them. But I wanted to show you guys how pretty these curtains are. So they're sheer, which I absolutely love because then it just kind of lights up the whole room and you get like daylight all the time in here. But the gold curtain rod is from Amazon, and then the gold and white sheer curtains are also from Amazon. I'll make sure to leave the link down below. So this shelf that I have in the corner, this gold and white shelf I got from Amazon. I'll make sure and leave that below. I just have like a couple decor pieces. My little Chanel gift box, hello gorgeous. This is a picture of me and my dad on my wedding day. Dad, if you ever watch this, I'm so sorry. I don't know why your head is cut off. I made sure to print the photo to the exact frame size and that's what happened, but I left it because I love the picture so much. Then this shelf, this little perfume vanity tray is so amazing. It's a mirrored gold like little vanity tray and I keep all my perfumes in here. So I have some of my favorites, Miss Dior, Jimmy Choo, Love from Victoria's Secret, and then my Ted Baker. These are just like my little jewelry holders. I have like my favorite rings and necklaces in there, some extra sunnies back there. Does anybody else have candles in their house just for decor purposes that they don't actually light? I'll never light that gold candle because it's so pretty. It has little polka dots on it and it's gold. I just have my little camera right here, another candle. This is something I saved from my bachelorette party. It's so cute. And then this was the perfume container box from the Love perfume. I just thought it was so pretty, so I saved it. And then down here, I have this beautiful tea set. It's actually, this is a real tea set. I got this as a gift for my bridal shower. So I need to have my niece over so we can have a little tea party. I think it's so cute. And then this little bear was a gift for Valentine's Day from my husband. And then these boxes were the boxes that the tea set came in. So I just think they're so beautiful with the flowers and the little hummingbirds. So I leave them out on display. This is my second favorite piece of furniture. This is like a faux marble coffee table. So it looks like it's marble, but it's actually not. And it was a really good price. I got it on Amazon for like 80 bucks. But I love the bottom because it has the gold accents at the bottom. So it's just a mini coffee table. I have my Coco Chanel book on top. I love this book, you guys. This is one of my favorites. If you guys have never looked through it, there's so many good things to read in here and it's just so good for fashion. Love this book. I have my little candle. I think my mom got me this candle for Christmas. It's seriously my favorite candle. I light this every day. And then I have my little candle decors over here. I actually got this for $5. It was on sale last summer at Yankee Candle. So yeah, $5 for this whole thing. And then yeah, this is just my little coffee table. I keep like magazines on here and stuff, so I will leave the link down to this below. Over here, that Time Los Angeles bag is the bag that my lipstick blanket came in. There's nothing in it, I just think it looks cute with all of the lipsticks. And then here is my infamous mirror. I say infamous because everyone on Instagram knows this mirror. This is the mirror I do all my story try on hauls in, so hi guys. Then this is my closet in my glam room. I don't really keep a lot of clothes in here. These are some clothes that I just got and was doing a try on for. So there's not really a whole lot in here. I have some extra camera equipment down at the bottom and an extra ring light, but yeah, there's not really a whole lot in this closet. And that's it, guys. That was the entire room. So I'll do a quick little pan so that you guys can see the whole room. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have another video coming soon. It's gonna be a day in the life video, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram yet, you guys should keep up with me there daily. And if you wanna subscribe, I would be so grateful.